Hello students, I am your Minoti Miss, your MSc teacher. Children, this is your MSc book. Its name is Value Education. So let's begin our lesson. Our first lesson is We Love India. Children, where do you live, children? What is your country name? Can you say? Our country name is India. And you can see here, this is our India map. So let's move to the lesson. Moral of the story. India is like a big house where we all stay together and feel safe. India belongs to us. We belong to India. We have a house, a home where you spend most of your time. Don't you love going back home after school? India is also your home. So we have two homes. There is the little home where we live with our family. There is also the big home, which is our country. India is like our home. We feel safe and happy in our home. In the same way, we feel safe and happy in India. Children, we all live in India. Our country name is India. It is our home. And another home is our place where we all live, our house. That is where we live with our family members. Story. This is Santi. She lives in a city called Chennai. Here is David. He lives in a city called New Delhi. Here is Homi. He lives in Mumbai. Then there is Fiza. She lives in Kolkata. Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi and Chennai are big cities in our country, which is called India. Santi, Fiza, David and Homi are Indians because they live in India. Children, we are also living in our state. Our state name is Odisha and Odisha is in India. So we are also Indians. India is our country. We are all Indians. India is our big home. Children, India is our country, I have told you, and we all who all are living in India are called Indians, and India is our big home. India has many mountains, plains, rivers, lakes, cities, towns and villages. Look around you. Children, if you look around you, come out of your house and see what you can see. There are so many mountains. You can see mountains, you can see plains, rivers, lakes, cities, towns, all this village. All these things make our country India. Do you want to see the whole of India? You need to go high up above the earth in a rocket. From far above you can see the whole of India. India is a big and beautiful country. Many people live in India. We must all love India and feel happy to live here. Children, in India there are different kinds of people are living. Some are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, many cultures and many customs, many festivals we enjoy in India. So it is a big country where different kinds of people live. And we feel very proud and happy in India. Thank you, children. So this lesson is your completed. What you have to do is to read lesson 1 once again in your house. Next class I will tell you about the question and answers. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.